Hello and welcome to Dragonfly's Prep Setting Designs. I'm doing the continuation of my WaterTok labels for the holder, for the drink mix holder that I have on my wall in the kitchen. I finally got a hold of the lady that makes these, and I paid her, which was like $2.50, I believe. And she sent me the PDF, so I'm going to, I just wanted to bring y'all along while I do this. And I'm going to print these. Uh-oh, I need to switch it to color. There we go. And under more settings, I need to have this at 100. There we go. And print. I had to purchase more ink. So once I purchased more ink, then I was able to order more labels, the ones I was missing. I'm not even sure if this is all of them or if I needed all of these. I believe I did. So I sent her a picture of all the ones I was missing. So we'll see. Okay, here it is. So cool. I'm going to let this dry for a little bit to make sure I don't smudge the ink. And I'm going to pause the camera, and then I will bring y'all back when I cut these out and put them on the front of the holder. Okay, I'm back. Here's all my labels. Oops. I got them all cut out. Here's all my extras. Oops. These are the ones I got that I can't use right now because I don't have the, oh, this is the true lemon, because I don't have the those flavors. So all I'm going to do, if you missed my other video, I will link it, is, oops, I wasn't in frame. Take a piece of masking tape, simple, tear it. This is just how I do it. Fold it over, and oh, I actually already have the pink lemonade. Okay, so I'm going to do the Weiler's, the Weiler's cotton candy, and all I'm going to do is, this is hard to do from behind the camera. Stick the tape to the back of the paper. You can print this on cardstock if you want to, but I just did it on regular paper. I don't... Oh, actually, I don't need that one either. What'd she do? Send me ones I... Oh, Lord. Okay, give me 1 second. Get some more tape. And, okay, this one, peach ring. Stick the This is pink lemonade. That one's pink lemonade. Oh, that's why, because I needed an extra one. Peach ring. That's pink lemonade as well. What the heck, Christina? Okay. I'm gonna stick this one on here. All I do is stick it to the front of the drawer. You can put it on the inside, but you can't see it as well. I mean, I guess that would protect it better. Especially if you're in a high moisture kitchen or area or whatever. Okay, this one is the Weiler's tea. Peach iced tea. And I do have that one. So it's, whoops, right here. I'm going to do this one. I'm not going to make y'all sit through this whole process. I will do a few and then this tape is being a pain in the butt. I will do a few and then bring you back and show you. So this is what I decided to do because the tape is being a pain. I'm pulling it off like this and leaving it pulled out so I don't lose the end again. Work smarter, not harder, right? And then I folded it back on itself so I don't lose it. Okay. And then let's take this, stick it on the front of the, whoops, on the front of the drawer. Slide the drawer back in there. So I do need pink lemonade, peach ring, that one's cotton candy. Oh, I do need the pink, that one's cotton candy. So I need the pink lemonade. I don't know. I have the lime. Yeah, there's the lime. Color's really not the same. This one's more blue, but it's all right. I don't know what that little baby dog's doing out there. Barking, barking, barking. Yeah, I said baby dog. So I'm putting, there's a lot of Weilers. So I'm putting all my Weilers together. Oh, there's pink lemonade as well. So I'm going to move this over here to be by that one. That one's full. This one is Margaritaville Caribbean Fruit Punch, which is the same as this one, which will go down here. Did she send me that one? I don't remember. I cut them out so quick. Yep, she did. Right here. Anyways, this process is super easy. This is a way to, whoops, crud, drink more water. If you don't like water like me, make sure it It's on there, right? If you don't like water, the flavor of water, which basically has no flavor, but it kind of does. This is a way of me having flavorings so I'll drink more water. Otherwise, I'm not going to do it. I just won't. That's another peach iced tea. And you can also print more of these if you have like an abundance of a certain one. Pink lemonade. I already said that. What's this? Strawberry, Weiler strawberry peach. Yeah, did she send it to me? Or not Weiler's, Welch's. Yep, right here. So, anyways, I'm going to finish this process and I will bring you back and show you the end result, and we will see if I'm still missing any or if she got them all. So, and I might wind up redoing this and put it in basically kind of in alphabetical order. Just because I'm OCD like that. Peach ring. Oh, there's a peach ring right there. Why did I have that over there? I don't know. What's this one? This one is High C Fruit Punch, which is right here. Anyways, I will bring you back in just a moment. Okay, I put all the labels on. I still have extra, so I just left these blank. This one I don't have, which is the High C Mash and Mango, or Mash and Melon. I didn't like it. And that's something else about these. They're just paper on with tape. So if you buy something and you don't like it, you can remove the label and not have it. So I didn't rearrange them like I said I was going to yet. I probably will when I have time. But this is what I have so far. My favorite is the Margaritaville Pina Colada. And I also love the Strawberry Daiquiri and also the Margaritaville Caribbean Fruit Punch. Something, oh, right here, A&W Root Beer. Tastes just like A&W Root Beer. The pineapple, I like a lot of them. Blood orange is really good. The strawberry tangerine with the pina colada is amazing. So that's something else you can do. And I also have all these empty, except I have True Lemon in here. This is my extra labels that I still have that I couldn't use. Excuse me. So something else you can do is buy the flavor, what are they called? Oh, flavor syrups. And you can add flavor syrup to it. As soon as I come up with some recipes, find some recipes, then I will also show you all those as well. Where you mix flavors together and create your own flavors. So there you go. And it's on my wall. This, like I said, this organizer came from Amazon. I know you can also get it different other places as well. So this is my WaterTok project. Hope y'all enjoyed. Make sure to give me a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, share, and comment. Let me know, do you do this as well? Do you like buying these flavors? And also, what kind of combinations do you make? Let me know. Catch y'all later. Be blessed. Bye.